Alright, my friend, what do we have here? Today is a crazy day, and let's have you guys. Do you remember what I said? Never in love with position. Never in love with shorting, too specifically. Especially, never in love with shorting. It's very emotional. You will feel like you guys are a hero if you're shorting, because when you're shorting, most people, most of the market, most of the participants lose money, right? Because usually they long stock, they own stock, but you make money when people lose money. You feel like you're a hero. You feel like you're a genius, right? But shorting stock is attractive, but it has is dangerous, like girls. You can see, you know what, we sell right here. If you guys I don't know if you guys have the history, but we sell right here, not because I know Trump gonna tackle. Oh shit. Not that I know that Trump gonna tackle, but I know there's a chance he may be tackled. So I don't want to I don't want to hold the short too long. And right now and right this moment, it's the lowest low. That's from yesterday afternoon. Yeah, it's right here. 2410. What do you have? 2410. You see? So so then Trump do what he does best with his tackle. I don't know what happened, but the timing is just very lucky. I'll be honest, we has been very lucky, and I'm thank God for that. So Trump tackle, and then it's kind of fell. And you remember last week we have 5 tackle in 5 days. So a tackle each day, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. You see there's a pump. Yeah, so he tackled 5 times, and then every time it's fail. Yeah, so people get the recency bias. Whenever he tackle, just sell it. And you know what, when you think, when you buy the tackle and then you lose money, and then you buy a tackle and then lose money, and then you repeat it each time and it's making new low, you're so angry. You said, all right, next time he tackle, I'm gonna sell into it. You sell into it, and it's like about it's not about a few hours until the disaster. Because today, Tuesday, what do we eat on Tuesday? We eat tacos. So he tackled not once, not twice, but 3 times today. Tackle. It's so repeatedly, so I won't pull up to you, but basically he just tackle. He just said the war is about to over, and I think right here he said he don't need Iran permission to withdraw the troop back to the US. And right here you see there's a pump. There's another pump right here. And so we have 4 tackles today, And this one, he said he gonna a big announce tomorrow at 9 p.m. Pacific time to address a big announcement on Iran. I don't know it. I don't know what's going on, but we both think that announcement is for ending the war. Alright? So we have 4 tacos today. That's crazy. That's wild. But now we have, you see, this is the opposite of everything that stock does, right? Taco 1, 2, 3, but you see it's only back to 199.6. It didn't drop much, but I think oil gain more when there's a bad news about war, like escalation. But Trump tackled 4 times today, which ending the war was like de-escalation. Why oil dropped just a tiny bit? Why? That's the hint. That's the market hint to you. And if you shop, you can recognize. You need to recognize the hint. So what's the hint mean? It means the war is not over. You know, they can manipulate the stock market because the stock is in their hand. They cannot manipulate oil very easy like stock, because they need a physical product, which they don't have. So they cannot just shorting wire. They just can dump it a lot because they don't have the physical product. You understand me? So that's the hint with oil. So I think the war is not over, which means this pump, that's the market right now is enjoying, is fake. we will see in the future, all right? But right now I think it's just a bounce, you know. In the bear market, we have the bear market rally, and it's pretty violent, just like this. It fit very well with the pattern. So that's why I don't participate in shorting anymore. I will let you know when we acquire a new position. But right now I'm waiting very patiently, you know, because it's very easy to enter a trade, right? But if you lose money, you have to make that money back before you make any gain, right? You have to make the loss first. So I rather waiting until the condition is perfect, and then that's way the risk reward is in my favor and in you guys' favor. All right, with risk assets pumping, we have what? Silver up the most today with 6% update. Very juicy, and the position is very favor of getting long silver. Same thing with oil. Same thing with gold. Gold up 2.6%. It was very juicy for metal. But the disappointment today is Bitcoin. Look, it's up perfectly. What, 2%? Yeah, only 2%. Remember, Bitcoin has more volatility, so it should up more than gold. It should up like 6%, or yeah, like double the gain from stock. Should up like 6-7%, but it's up 2%. And when it's down like a lot, like 3%, 5% here. You know, warning about you guys. About the Bitcoin with you guys is right now is make a what? Head and shoulder in Bitcoin. It's a bit dangerous. It's a bit dangerous when we have a head and shoulder. That's the first one. The second one is the position is not in favor of getting long. It's actually it's in favor of getting short. So if you short on Bitcoin right now, you have the most favorable odds at 68. What does it mean? It means it's look like it's maybe dropped to 50 to 40. Yeah, we will see. All right, but thing not looking too good with Bitcoin. All right, that's it for today, guys. If you have any question, message me in the group. All right, I will see you guys soon. Stay sharp. Bye bye.